Good morning. Day 1. Overview of the chapter keywords. Breathing versus respiration. Respiration. Respiration is the process of gaseous change in organisms. Respiration at cellular level, however, refers to the burning of food to obtain energy. Breathing. Breathing is the process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide by the organism. Every organism has their own methods to breathe. In humans, it is done by the lungs. In organisms like fishes, it's done by the gills. Process of respiration. The process in the lungs is taken up by the blood. This process is transported to all parts of body. Body gives up oxygen to the cells and takes up carbon dioxide, which is sent back to the lungs. Cellular respiration. When the cells obtain energy from blood, they use the oxygen to burn the food. Burning the food uses energy which is stored as a form of ATP. Thus, respiration at cellular level is burning of food to get energy. Aerobic versus anaerobic. Aerobic respiration, the type of respiration in which organisms use for burning food inside the cell is called aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration in the cell's absence of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. Why do we breathe? Components of respiratory system in humans. The respiratory system of the se- humans have several parts naturally chamber, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs and diaphragm. Process of respiration in humans. Humans Respiration in humans start with the breathing of air through the nose, leading to the oxygen to be transferred into the bloodstream by the lungs. The oxygen is delivered to all cells which use them to burn glucose and generate energy. Respiration in other organisms. Respiration in other organisms is carried out by special organs. Frog and earthworm use their moist skin to breathe. Fishes, gills and insects have spiracles. Why do we respire? All living organisms are made up of small microscopic units called the cells. The cells have different functions to perform in these organisms such as digestion, respiration, transpiration and excretion. The cells can perform this function but only if they get the energy to do so. Hence all living organisms need food which gives them the required energy. The energy present in food gets released when the organisms respire or breathe. Anaerobies. Organisms that can exist in the absence of air are called anaerobies. They undergo anaerobic respiration, hence can get energy even without oxygen. For example, yeast. These are unicellular organisms that exist in the absence of oxygen as well. As a byproduct, they, they release ethanol and carbon dioxide. That is why they used to make wine and that is where they are used to make wine and beer. This is called alcohol fermentation. Anaerobic respiration in human beings. Anaerobic respiration in human beings, yes. Sometimes muscles of human beings can respire without oxygen. This generally happens when we undergo a heavy exercise such as running, weightlifting, cycling or walking for a longer duration. In such situations, the muscles require more energy and the supply of oxygen is not enough. Supply of oxygen is not enough. Hence, anaerobic respiration takes place in the muscles. As a result of muscles also produce lactic acid along with energy. This lactic acid accumulates in the muscles of casual cramps. This is why we often feel cramps while we do heavy exercises. In order to get relief from cramps, we can take a hot water bath or massage our muscles. In order to get relief from cramps, we can take a hot water bath or massage ourselves. This is so because the hot water bath massage improves the blood circulation in the muscles. As a result, oxygen reaches the cells easily, which break into lactic acid into carbon dioxide and water. Yeah, guys. How food helps us in gaining energy. As we breathe, we take in the air that consists of oxygen in it and breathe out air which contains carbon dioxide. This oxygen when transported sorry yeah this oxygen when transported to our cells helps in breaking down the food we get energy. Cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? Cellular respiration can be defined as the process in which the food that we eat is broken down inside cells, which in result releases which results in the release of energy. All the cells in living organisms undergo cellular respiration. The cellular respiration takes place in a cell organelle called mitochondria. The oxygen that an organism breathes in reacts with carbohydrates, glucose, present in the food and results in the release of carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Thank you. And guys, if you still haven't subscribed, subscribe.